to go. Hooray, hooray, back to school, it's a brand new day. Pack your bag and wear your shoes. Say goodbye to morning snooze.
Books and pencils, lunch so neat. Friends and teachers we will meet. Learning ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. Color shapes and counting trees.
Raise your hand and take your turn. Every day we laugh and learn. Read and write and sing along. School is where we all belong.
Play and draw and paint so bright. Make new memories, pure delight. So smile wide and don't feel blue.
Back to school is fun for you. It's time to go. Hooray, hooray, back to school. It's a brand new day.